Hello guys, today we are going to review God frequency program that's available online these days. So what I am going through this really this one is a 15-minute daily habit. So it's like a prayer to God. So that one works or not or today I am referring. So I am reviewing on this one. This is the product page, product image that you are going to get some CDs and MP3 and some books also you will get in PDF format. It's an online available online. What actually inside is God frequency program reviews. This frequency is a 15-minute daily program that uses cortical synchronization science and Jesus teaching to manifest God's blessing to the users' lives. So the program bases its working on Jesus' secret teaching, utilizes by ex-priests to manifest a life of happiness, good health, and success. So how Jesus preached his priests, what are the his techniques, and how he has given them powers and exact happiness, good and health, and success in their lives. So uh, based on this one, it is working. They created what is the God frequency program. God frequency program is an internet based audio program engineered with binaural beats and natural theta beats in just 15 minutes. It's daily you have to listen it or play it in online, play it in it, it at your laptop or mp3 player or whatever it may be. So you will get engineered to set your life into successful mode. God frequency reprograms your life, improving your social and romantic life, career and relationships. So this is the product phrase. Who is the brain behind God frequency? The God frequency program was invented and actuated by Marcus and his brother. These two brothers did some experiments. So they created some experiments and extracted brain waves and created this program centers on God blessings and manifestations. So how God exactly does God frequency work? God frequency employs sound wave therapy, widely known as binary beats of two unique tones with a varying frequency. When you listen to the two binaural beats tones, your brain will receive the beats in the form of a beat frequency manipulation, the brain into cortical synchronization. This one house there is an image also. So effect on mood, focus and anxiety also main features. Potential binaural beat designed in line with the secret code documented in a confidential letter by Jesus. It's a completed code with deep meaning, mental and spiritual boosting frequencies, sound bath, and with a set of binaural beats. The sound bath works to synchronize the brain waves with the frequency at which God's blessings are manifested. So it gives positive energy to your brain and brain cells. So you will think positively and be successful in your life, and success and happiness it will give. What's based on this one works on high quality and clear natural sound recording, very good. 100% 365-day money back guarantee also. This one is also good, very good. Easy to access, so you can download it or use your computers or smartphone, whatever and be headphone you can listen, and you can play on mp3 also. Dozens of sightful and discounted bonds also available. So key benefits: great simplicity and versatility. One noble aspect that differentiates the God frequency from the crowd is simply and easy to follow format. Sets your life into a success mode. Effective treatment for anxiety and stress. Best way to improve your romantic life and relationships. No medications, no or therapies required. Nothing complex about the program. The program is proven to be safe and effective. Oh, sorry. Is there any disadvantages to this program? This one also important. The program is only available in digital form, so you can only listen to it online or offline, whatever it may be. So it's an online course. Maybe some people fake websites also they create and duplicate it also. So any similar program offered on another website is simply duplicated and should be avoided. So you have to listen it, or you have to download it the original or original website or official website only. So what is the program price? And it's not a $1,500 or $1,000. It's only $37 single time one time payment. So you will get but it's not working. 100% refund policy is also there. There is a product image 37. Is the God frequency program genuine? This one is important. One question virtually every potential customer wants an answer to is whether the God frequency program is genuine or not. Gauging from the dozens of positive customer reviews and comments, it's obvious God frequency is not a scam, but both the love frequency and God frequency binaural beats are proven to be efficient in the manifestations of money, good health, and better relationships. Okay, it's working. Conclusion. So it's give if you are struggling with your dreams and life for so long, such that you are ready to give up, it's better to listen and download this one. So thank you. There is a free gift also there. They were giving some free gift, some PDF file or some prayers to God Jesus Christ. So this one based on the religious. So maybe other religious people will don't buy or don't like this one. So it's Christianity is linked with this one. So Jesus is there, and that means a Christianity. Other people also, if you want abundant success or life in their life, they can also purchase and download and listen this 15-minute ritual or prayer to God Jesus. So there is an official website. I am going. There is a free gift also. You can download it for free. So I put that link at the discount or this free gift at the description area of this video. So go through, you can find it at the description area of this YouTube video. This one is a book, and this is the MP3 player. They are so 7 daily prayers they are giving. You have to play this one, or you can read or play this one also. You can listen also. PDF and MP3 audios, 100% free download. So I am giving going through. So urgent manifestations prayers, Jacob X. I am you create this. You write down your name, first name, and primary email address. Send to my email ID. So it will reach to your account. So your email address. You can download them from there. So thank you very much. If you want to cover any another review, please write down here at the comment section. If you like this video or review on this video, you give me thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.